What's going on, traders? In this video I'm going to show you right now when the price trades through resistance. In the previous video showing you whether the price trades above or below resistance, and then different story in a downtrend. As you can tell here, the price is hugging the resistance. It's like a beautiful faithful lover. Then what we have some sort of price action here and start to form a consolidation, possibly retesting resistance. Then you see a sort of pullback and you get an entry in there. Price should take off nice and easy because you've seen a nice accumulation, right? So the pullback forms in that fashion, ABC 1 2 3. You can get an entry also across the whole structure. You place your stop loss in there. And on the charts, we see the same thing. Here on the higher time frame and on the smaller time frame, you will see through resistance and then a shakedown and the price takes off. That's why you place your buy stop and stop loss.